Hey viewers and listeners, you are now in Damon's Brave New World, the greatest science future podcast on Earth and in the galaxy. Let's talk about exoplanets. Imagine an ice planet covered in glacial-sized mountains. Scientists label these planets as having a global cryosphere. Cryosphere, that's a cool word. Cryo is a Greek word for cold and sphere is a Greek word for global. Hence, the planets are covered totally in ice. Based on what we are learning about the physical characteristics of exoplanets, scientists believe that a great ocean lies underneath the surface of these types of exoplanets that consist of water, ammonia, and methane. Using data from astronomical computer studies, these types of icy worlds are thought to be common in the Milky Way galaxy. Moons that circle the gas giants Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, and Uranus harbor saltwater oceans. Europa, Enceladus, Triton, and Ganymede, just to name a few of perhaps dozens, are all classified as icy worlds. There are dwarf planets such as Ceres, Pluto, and Eris that fall under the same classification. These subsurface oceans are warmed by either internal heat or tidal forces from a nearby planet. These icy worlds could provide habitable conditions for alien life forms to survive and even flourish deep below the surface. Say, and what if an icy world was at the edge of a habitable zone? Maybe life would be found on the surface. Perhaps some distant cousin of a woolly mammoth could be the dominant species. And imagine an Arctic-type life form populating the icy tundra, feeding on creatures through frequent fissure openings from the ocean below. Maybe, who knows? But there are several extrasolar ice planet candidates that scientists are currently studying. And someday, our descendants will get to visit and see for themselves. I'm Damon of Damon's Brave New World. Thanks for stopping by. Now, if you're listening to the audio, you can also check out our super cool video version at www.damonsbravenewworld.com. Thanks.